Yes.
This is the package you need.
Yes.
How many ton this one?
This one is 30 ton.
This 30 ton. Huh?
30 ton.
Then this
30
one
ton.
come to here. Come.
Also.
No, there. You
Yeah.
can show me. You go there.
Ah.
Show me the 30
Yes, this 30 ton.
30 ton. Huh?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this one for the 30 ton.
30
for the
ton.
package. Huh?
Yes.
Then after,
Yes. Yes.
I see you.
Yes.
Because I make marketing.
Yes.
This also 30 ton, right?
30 ton. All this. Yes. All this lane.
This
30 ton.
30 ton. And
Yes.
of course this one.
Of course, this one is 25 ton. It's 25 ton.
What is the brand? This one? What one?
Falcon.
This one. Huh? How
Yes.
much this one?
Falcon. That one is 25 ton. That one is 30 ton.
This 30 and 25.
Yes. And the remaining one are 30 tons.
This one also 30 ton.
30 ton.
All.
That line.
Also this one also 30 ton. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This all complete 30 ton.
Yes.
Also this is
25. This 25.
This 25. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. 25. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thirty ton. Yes.
So
Welcome.
this one for support, huh?
Yes. Sometimes we did put yes for support.
Support like this.
Yes, like that.
But there is no.
Yeah, that's
Why
one.
like that?
Sorry?
There is no. There is no in the support.
Oh, yeah, that's why this one there's no. This one some requirement. Due to the client, they need some requirement. Then we need to fix.
But only for 2 fan, huh?
Yes, 2 fan,
Right?
2 compressors.
2 compressor and
Yes.
2 fan.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, brother.
Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
I try to the what is the name? I try to the company for general.
Oh, general.
I try to the general,
Oh.
but I don't know. This is comparing with the customer how much they are for the price. Then I will give the customer offer, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Because there is the difference.
Yes. Yes.
There is the amount.
Mm.
You know,
Yes.
this is not for the supply,
Yes.
right?
The supply and return.
Supply in return. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. This is.
It's okay.
Okay, please. This for the repair maintenance.
2 ton.
Huh?
6.2.
6.2.
Yes. 6.2 ton.
This one, huh?
Yes.
So 157, right?
Yes.
157. Okay.
Right?
This for the new or the repair maintenance?
Oh, it's the old one that we are under repair.
Under the repair.
Yeah. Yes.
So you have a TV.
Yeah, we have a team we are repairing.
This one also, huh?
Yes. This one.
So under repair to also the service maintenance.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then this how many times, sir?
This 6 point. These are also floor stand unit.
This one all for
Yeah.
or,
For rental.
rental.
Yes. If you want for sale, also we can get for you.
Rental also. Huh?
Yes.
So you have that for the
Yes. Yes. Window AC.
this one also 30.
I already gave his number, Sania number to him, but he was saying he want to talk to me. I'm calling Madam Sania, but she's not answering. I gave the number to the customer. The number? Boss, can you give me your number?